Gap 26 searches and repairs and copies. And we have the Elegoo Neptune Pro 4. It has a filament on top. The detector is the blue item, and below that is the printer head, which is sliding back and forth. It has a light to view your prints, and build space is about 8 inches by 8 inches or more. You could look that up, the specs. It's kind of quiet. People say it's loud. I don't think it's very loud at all. It has this screen here, touch screen, okay, for your prints. And it took about an hour to put together, and it wasn't too hard, but lining up the gantry on both sides was kind of a tough thing to do. This is just an overview of this printer. You'll see more prints from here. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.